and a very good evening. How is everybody doing? All good, all good? I hope all of you had a blast of a day. So here we are with yet another wonderful session on Vedantu Young Wonders. And today we are going to do sprint for grade 6 and the chapter is integers. So let us get started. Hi Pandey, hi Gitika, hello, good evening everybody, good evening. You're doing great? Awesome Shivam, amazing, amazing. तो जल्दी जल्दी अपने दोस्तों को भी बुला ले आओ अभी के अभी. We are going to revise the entire chapter of integers. So even if you're in grade 7, this is a very important session for you as well. It's not just for grade 6. क्योंकि यहाँ पे we will be discussing about the basics that you also have in your grade. So let's get started with this session with a quick motivation. It always seems impossible until it's done. I know you feel it's like impossible to get 100 upon 100, but once you get 100 upon 100, that just feels so damn easy. Okay, so get that thing done. Hello, good evening. Hi Namrata, hi Mayank, hi Tanvi. You're in 8th? देख लो क्या जा रहा है ना? टाइम है तो देख लो, रिवाइज हो जाएगा. Hi Lakshmi, hi Puchka. Ayo ma'am, what happened Lakshmi? Why ayo? Good evening Sanskriti. Hi Namrata. Awesome. Hi Namrata Mishra. Hi Tech Gamers. Hi Pragya. Hello Deepthi. Hi Shreyas. Amazing. So let us get started with the session. You know what to do. Yes, you will have to quickly like the video if you haven't liked it yet. I can see 23 people like are live, but only 14 likes. नहीं चलेगा ना ऐसे. तो चलो quickly hit the like button. Also subscribe to the channel if you are new. We're already 6 lakh plus subscribers. Let us make it 1 million family. And yes, do share this video with your friends because in this one video, if you watch till the end of the video, you will be able to understand the entire chapter of integers. You will be able to revise the entire chapter. You don't have to watch any other video on YouTube. Okay? So come on, quickly give me a yo in the chat box right now. Are you guys super duper excited? Are you guys super duper energized? Come on. Are you guys super duper ready? Yeah. Thank you, Namrata. Telugu student here. Who is that? Hi, Kitika. Hello now. हमारी हरी हरी मैडम ये क्या चलो 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 चलो. Thank you, Vartika. Let us get started with the first one, integers on the number line. What is the definition of an integer? It is a collection of positive numbers, negative numbers and zero. So when you put integers on the number line, you can see to the right side of 0, you have all the positive integers, and to the left side of 0, you have all the negative integers. And 0 is the origin, 0 is actually neutral. So integer is a collection of whole numbers and negative numbers together. What are positive numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Your negative numbers are -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. And 0 is neutral. Matlab 0 is neither negative nor positive. So you can find integer negative numbers to the left side of 0 on the number line. Now what are the different types of integers? Again, positive and whole numbers. Again, under whole numbers, you have 0 and natural numbers. So this is the hierarchy. We all started with learning what are natural numbers. Then we have learned about what are whole numbers. And now we are learning about what are integers. Yes? Hi Nomika, you're also the Telugu student. Awesome. So all the Telugu students, don't forget to subscribe Vedantu Telugu channel as well, where I am teaching 9th and 10th maths. Hi Harvey. Awesome, awesome. You have maths exam on Jan 1st. That's a very amazing way to start your year. All the best, CK Gaming. Chalo, let us get started about what is a successor and a predecessor. Success When do you get a success? When you do something, when you try to achieve, like for example, you have tried really hard and you have studied really hard for your maths exam, and after you write your exam, you have got your success. After, right? So successor is a number which comes after a number. For example, you have the number 100. So what is the successor of 100? 100 plus 1. So that is 101. What is a predecessor? A number which comes before a number. For example, you have a number 100. So what is the predecessor of 100? 100 minus 1, which is 99. So if I take for example, let's take a number 107. Okay, everybody, 107. Now, what is the successor of 107? Can somebody tell me here what is the number? What is the successor of 107? Come on, I want you guys to quickly spam. Very good, very good. It is 108. What is the predecessor? So successor you will get by adding 1 to the number. What is the predecessor? Minus 1. Very good. So 107 minus 1 will give you 106, which is the predecessor. 108 is the successor. Okay. So now, there are a few key points, important points that you have to remember. First one, every positive integer is greater than every negative integer. Let's take a number 3. 3 is always greater than minus 9,999. Every time, every single time, 0 is always greater than a negative, a positive integer is always greater than a negative integer. Hello Shreya, I am doing good. How are you? Hi Suryanshu. Next, 0 is less than every positive integer. You take any positive integer, 0 is less than the positive integer. But 0 is always greater than a negative integer. 0 is always greater than a negative integer. Next, 0 is neither positive nor negative. It is neutral. Farther a number from 0 on the right, larger is its value. Where are we talking this up in? We are talking this about on the number line. So if I take a 0 here and if I take 21 here, the farther a number is from 0, the greater is the value. That's why 22 is greater than 21. And farther is the number to the left of 0, the lesser is the value. So if I have to compare minus 21 and minus 22, which one is greater? You tell me in the chat box. Which one is greater? Hi Puchka, I am doing great. How are you? Minus 21 is greater, yeah, minus 22 is greater. Which one is greater? Very good. Minus 21 is greater than minus 22. Very good everybody. Now, let's talk about addition and subtraction. According to me, I feel there is no rule for addition separately and subtraction separately. Only few things you have to follow. Step number 1 is open the brackets. Guys, not everybody on YouTube teaches you this. It's a very amazing trick, I feel, where you don't have to remember any rule here. Okay? So the first thing is open the brackets. Okay? Next, you have to check if the two numbers that you are adding, are they of the same sign? Okay? If they are of the same sign, then you have to add the numbers. Okay? And retain the sign. Okay? If they are having the same sign. Now, what if they are having different sign? Then you have to subtract them. Sign in front of bigger number goes to the answer. Now you must be thinking, ma'am, आपने इतना बड़ा बड़ा लिख दिया, but I am not understanding anything. So let me give you an example. Let's take -7 minus of +8. So what are you doing here? You're subtracting -7 and +8. But before that, what do we do? First, open the brackets. -7 minus of plus will give you -8. What is happening here? Both of them are negative. Both of them are having the same sign. So what should you do? You should add them. 8 plus 7 will give you 15. Now, since both of them are negative, what will happen to the answer? The answer will also be a negative integer. This is one example. Let's take another example. -10 minus of -21. So what are you doing here? You're subtracting two negative integers. But first, what do we do before you subtract? Open the brackets. -10 minus of minus will become +21. Now what has happened? Here we have a negative number and here we have a positive number. So they are having different signs. One is negative, one is positive. So what do? We find the difference. That is, we subtract them. 21 minus 10 will give you 11. Now 21 is greater than 10. So the sign in front of 21 will go to the answer. So the answer is +11. Now this is how you will have to do your addition and subtraction. Open the brackets. After opening the brackets, they have the same sign. You add them and the answer will also have the same sign. Now, after opening the bracket, if they have different signs, then you will have to subtract, and whatever number is bigger, the sign in front of that number will go to the answer. Easy peasy. Come on, quickly give me a yo in the chat box. Did you understand this? Easy peasy. Hello, Tintu. Hello. Yeah. Amazing. Okay, okay. Hi, Glory. Chalo. Now let's talk about additive identity and additive inverse. A lot of you are confused. Guys, please remember additive identity. Now, if I take any integer and add it with 0, the identity of the integer remains the same. If I take a negative integer and add it to 0, the identity is preserved. If I take a positive integer and add it to 0, the identity is preserved, right? So that is why 0 is called as our additive identity. Whatever may be the numbers can be anything. -999, you add 0 to it, the answer is -999. So 0 is always our additive identity. Then what is additive inverse? Inverse means ulta, opposite. So if I take a number -7, the additive inverse will be +7. If I take +99, the additive inverse will be -99. So don't get confused. Additive inverse is, if a number is the opposite sign of itself. If it is +a, additive inverse will be -a. If it is -c, the additive inverse will be +c. And what will be the additive identity? It is always equals to 0. Okay. Awesome, everybody. Hi, Seema. Hello. Did you understand? All good? Do not forget to hit the like button if you're loving the video. Okay? Awesome. Now let's start doing few questions. Indicate the following using integers. 25 degree above 0. What is, when I say above, it is plus. So you will indicate it with +25 degree. Isha, it's not -25. It's +25. Exactly. Very good. Very good. 5 degree below 0. Shivam has got it right. Minus 5 degree. A profit of rupees 800. What will happen here? A profit of rupees 800 plus 800. Very good. A deposit of rupees 2500. Come on, everybody in the chat box. If you're watching this video premiere like after the live, do let me know in the comment section, guys. Minus 2500. Are you sure, guys? Deposit is you're putting money in your account. Withdrawal is you're taking money from your account. So depositing is you're putting money, right? So it will be plus 2500. Please remember, depositing is adding money. What is happening if you have 10 rupees and you're depositing 2500? So clearly you have 2510 rupees. The value is increased. So we indicate that with a plus sign. Please remember that. Okay? 2 kilometers below the sea level. Since I have used the word below, it will be minus 2 kilometers. Withdrawal will be minus 2500. Yes, MSB Shreya, you have got it right. Very good. Okay? Chal. How many integers are there between minus 4 and 3? So here you have minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So between minus 4 and plus 3, matlab, you should not take minus 4 and plus 3 into consideration. You will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many integers are there? We have 6 integers. And what about 5 and 12? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 and 12. So how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again we have 6 integers between both the numbers. Very good. Very good, everybody. It's just normal counting. The next question is on your screen. Draw a number line and represent each of the following on it. So even if you have to draw it on the number line, what is the first step we should do? We should open the brackets. So it will be minus 1 plus of minus will be minus 2 plus 2. So we will be standing at minus 1 first. Then you're standing at minus 1. Then since you have minus 2, we are going to move towards the left side because subtraction is moving towards the left and addition is moving towards the right side. Okay? How many steps? 2 steps. 1, 2. So you are reaching at minus 3, right? And then plus 2 again. So if you're doing plus 2, what do? We move towards the right side 2 units. 1, 2. So where are you reaching finally? You're reaching at minus 1. Okay. So the answer is minus 1. Now let's talk about the second one here. So minus 2 plus 7 minus 9. So where will we stand here? We are going to stand at minus 2. Minus 2 plus 7 minus 9. So when I'm standing at minus 2, the next thing is plus 7. So what do? You move towards the right side. How many units? 7 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So you're reaching at 5. And then you're doing minus 9. So since it is minus, where do we go? We go to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and finally you are reaching minus 4. Very good, everybody in the chat box. Good job. Good job. Do not forget to hit the like button if you haven't hit the like button yet. Okay. Hi Tanushree. Find the successors of each of the following integers. Come on guys, you have to tell me what is the successor of minus 42. Very good, Mayank. It is minus 41. How do you find the successor? Minus 42 plus 1 will give you minus 41. What is the successor of minus 1? What is the successor of minus 1? 0. Very good. What is the successor of 0? Hi Vanshika from grade 6th. What is the successor of 0, everybody? Exactly. It is plus 1. 0 plus 1 will give you plus 1. Find the predecessor of each of the following. How do you find the predecessor of minus 100? What is the predecessor of minus 100, everybody? Very good, Glory. It is minus 101 because minus 100 minus 1. So that will be minus 101. What is the predecessor of 99? Plus 98. Very good. Into it is not minus 99. Predecessor, how do you get a predecessor? You take a number and subtract 1 from it. You will be getting the predecessor of the number. So take minus 100 and subtract 1. Both of them are negative. So we add them. The answer will also be negative. Okay. What is the predecessor of 0? Exactly. It is minus 1. Very good. Very good, everybody. Awesome. Now comes adding more than 2 integers. Does not matter what integers you're adding. Stick to the rule. First, what do? We are going to open up the brackets. So it is going to be 373 plus of minus 245 plus of minus 373 plus 145 plus 3000. And as you can see, plus 373 minus 373, they're going to get cancelled. So you have minus 245 plus 145 plus 3000 will give you 3145. Now one is negative and the other is positive. So what do we do? Awesome, Yashika. I am extremely proud of you and keep making us proud like this. Exactly. Very good. We are going to subtract them. Why? Because both of them are having different signs. So what is that we will be doing? 3145 minus 245. So 0, 0. This will give you 9 and this will give you 2. Since 3145 is greater, the answer is going to be plus 2900. Okay? And the second one also we are going to do the similar way. We are opening up the brackets first. So 1 minus 475 minus 475 minus 475 minus 475 plus 1900. Okay. So 475 plus 475, since both of them are negative, minus 950, minus 475 minus 475, minus 950, minus 950 minus 950, minus 1900 will get cancelled with plus 1900 and you will be left with just 1. So please remember, open the brackets first and then proceed with addition or subtraction depending upon the numbers. Okay, chalo. You tell me what is the value here. What value should come in the first blank? Can someone tell me? Also, guys, we are nearing to the, what do you call it? VQuiz. So do join. The link is in the description box. 5. Very good. Minus 4 plus 5 will give you 1. What about 4 minus of minus 3? 4 minus of minus 3. Second one. Very good. It has to be 7. 4 minus of minus will become plus. 4 plus 3 is 7. Now what about the third one here? Can someone tell me? Can somebody tell me what is going to be the third blank? Everybody busy calculating? Very good. It's 98. Very nice. Very nice. Good job. Good job, everybody. Now, let us go and look at our VQuiz. आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? What is that you will have to do here? We will go to our Young Wonders ka page. The video that you're watching right now, if you haven't liked the video yet, like it right away. Now, when you look at the description box here, यहाँ पे आपको दिखेगा there's this link. Yeah, are you able to see this link here? Click on this link and enter. Now, if you are not able to click on that link, open a new tab in your Chrome or a new phone. Type VQuiz.in. I'm repeating again, VQuiz.in, and it will ask you for a code. And the code is going to be 228053. The code is 228053. CK Gaming, thank you so much, bacha. Extremely happy for you and keep making us proud like this. Guys, if you haven't hit the like button, please hit the like button right now. Doesn't matter if you're in grade 7, you can still do the VQuiz. I can see 16 people have already joined. Are we good to go? I'll count till 5. Thank you, Arpit. Come on, everybody. I'll count till 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the first questions on your screens, everybody. Come on. What is the additive inverse of minus 20? Arpit, the link is in the description box of this video for the quiz. Click on that and you can enter. Additive inverse of minus 20. Hurry up. Awesome. Guys, additive inverse of minus 20 will become plus 20. And here we have Geetika, Harshit and Shan who has got it right. And then we have Hriva and Shivansh. Very good. The second question's on your screen, everyone. Come on. Write the following integers in their increasing order. Right? The following integers in their increasing order. I'll give you some time. Don't worry. Amazing, amazing, very good, everybody who has got it right. So minus 8 is less than minus 6 is less than minus 4 is less than minus 3 is less than 0 is less than 3 is less than 5 is less than 6. Now let us look at the leaderboard. We have Geetika winning the leaderboard, and then we have Harshit and Shan in the second and third position, Hriva, Shivansh, Par. And then we have Tintu, Deepthi, Mayank and Joyraj. Your third questions on your screen. For a positive integer, it is always greater than its additive inverse. True or false? If I give you a positive integer, will that number be always greater than its additive inverse? Yes or no? Yes? No? Hi Mona Lisa, no problem. And that is a time up, guys. The statement here is true. If I give you 7, what is the additive inverse? -7. So positive 7 will always be greater than the negative 7, right? So the statement here is true. And we have Geetika, Harshit, Shan in the top 3. Then we have Hriva, Par, Mayank, Joyraj, Deepti, Vartika and Shivansh. Your fourth questions on your screens, everybody. The integer which is equal to its additive inverse is or are what? An integer which is equal to its additive inverse. Hi Lavya, no problem. Please watch the replay because it is a very important session for grade 6th. Hurry up, hurry up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is a time up and look at that. Guys, it has to be 0. Additive inverse of 1 will be -1 and -1 will be 1. But for 0, the additive inverse is 0. And 0 is also called as the additive identity. And we have Geetika, Par, Hriva, Harshit, Joyraj, Shan, Tejas, Akanksha, Mayank and Deepti. The final questions on your screens, everybody. Find -7 plus of -9 plus of +4 plus of +3. What is that you will have to do first? Open the brackets. Chalo. Easy peasy. Come on. Do not forget to hit the like button if you haven't hit it yet. That's a time up. Very good. Very good, everybody. So the correct answer here is option number B, which is equal to -9. And look at the winners. We have Par leading the leaderboard. ये पर क्या होता है? Par, are you this purple Suhana? Is that you? Then we have Harshit and Joyraj in the second and the third position. Very good. It's Akanksh. Oh God. Akanksh, I am so sorry. Public apology. Public में apology कर रही हूँ. I'm so sorry. अच्छा, मोनालिसा इस पर. अच्छा, ठीक है. Awesome, Lavya. All the best. That is very nice, and you're making us all proud. Anyways. So yes, we have learned how to add, subtract integers, how to do it on the number line, how do we compare them and much more. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try to reply back to your doubts. And that is it. Congratulations everybody. We have finished the entire chapter of integers. Do share this video with your friends and don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. This is your master teacher Haripriya signing off. Bye-bye.